Today we opened our academic year 2023-2024 and we also celebrated 35 years of University of Aruba. The highlights were our alumni, those graduates who have an impact on the Aruban society, who shapes the next generation and who showed their gratitude today for having a university on the island, which started and opened the doors in 1988. The main focus has been educating future leaders in the Caribbean on the island of Aruba. And we now have more than 1,565 graduates who enrich our social life, our cultural life and economic life of the island. And therefore there is a need for the university. And today we also wanted to express our gratitude to the government for their vision to support and establish such an institution on the island of Aruba. You see, throughout the last 35 years, we are steadily growing. We started with the Faculty of Law, and by now we have 4 faculties, and every decade new programs start, like we have now the academic foundation years as a pre-bachelor program, and we also offer 2 new master programs. We also have part-time version of our programs, and we are constantly looking for innovation, new creative measures, like for example in the future associate degrees. We are also busy building laboratories to be a full-fledged research university in the future too. Gratitude to all people who came to celebrate with us. I have the pleasure also to meet today again Lydia Amarencia, the former rector, and online also Glenn today was present. And that's fantastic to see that we both and 3 people together and all the others made it happen that we have this UA community and the university on the island. It's really made by people.